Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside WhatsApp. Open the app and go straight to Settings. On Android, tap More Options, the three dots, then Settings. On iPhone, tap the Settings tab at bottom. Once you're in Settings, choose Account, then Privacy. That's where Read Receipts live. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to change because this toggle is account-specific. Don't worry about other privacy items yet. Focus on locating the Read Receipts switch so you can change how Read notifications. Now, find the Read Receipts option under Privacy and tap the toggle to turn it off. Once done, the toggle will move to the off position and Read Receipts are disabled for one-to-one chats, so messages you open will no longer send blue ticks back. Make sure to pause and understand the trade-off. When you turn this off, you also won't receive others' Read Receipts. Also note that groups and voice message play indicators behave differently, so keep that in mind as you proceed. Finish by confirming the Read Receipts toggle remains off, then exit Settings and open a chat to verify behavior. Remember, group chats and voice message play indicators still show delivery or reads, so this setting only changes one-to-one read ticks. If you don't see the change, make sure your app is updated, force close WhatsApp, and restart your phone, then check again. If problems persist, sign out and back in or reinstall the app. Those steps reset local settings and usually resolve stubborn state issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.